The connection between human wiring and effective business systemization and scaling. Understanding human wiring is a game changer. Human wiring dictates how individuals inherently process information, make decisions, and interacts with their environment. Using this, leaders can create systems that align with their team's natural wiring, leading to enhanced productivity and successful scaling. The concept of natural wiring is rooted in psychology and neuroscience, highlighting individual patterns. Some people are detail-oriented and thrive in a structured environment, while others prefer an environment that allows them to create new methods outside of what has been standardized. Effective systemization involves creating repeatable processes that streamline operations and reduce inefficiencies. When these systems are designed with human wiring in mind, they are easier for employees to adapt to. Here are some ways human wiring can enhance your systemization. Customized project planning. Match the strength of your team members during the project planning phase. Use analytical team members to perform data-driven tasks while utilizing social team members to boost brainstorming sessions. Improved communication. Communication styles vary between individuals. Some prefer to talk out loud to organize thoughts. Others may need to think and analyze internally before being able to give a complete and accurate response. Some like to warm up interactions with small talk. Others might get right to the point. Enhanced engagement. Systems that align with human wiring improve satisfaction and engagement because the tasks feel more natural and less forced. Scaling a business involves expanding operations without compromising quality and efficiency. Including natural wiring considers the human element. Using natural strengths increases engagement, productivity, and results in repeatable success.